My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam that is related to the site zstrive.com. zstrive.com is a malicious site. Right now it attacks Google Chrome and may also affect other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them really scared about the condition of their computers. These pop-ups claim that they are some way or another related to the well-known security program, but they are not related to that program. Instead, there are some online hackers who stand behind these alerts. They try to deceive people and to mislead them and to trick them into downloading some potentially unwanted applications. We recommend that you carefully examine your computer in order to detect and delete any other possibly hidden threats from your computer. So go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the application, and start researching your system in order to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.